Welcome to freetradingvideos.com. I'm back. Let's take a look at the markets. And check this out. Big day right at the end of the day. A big monster run. The last hour of the day. Dow up 2%. NASDAQ up 2.7%. The S&P up almost 2.5%, and the big winner, Russell's up 3.6%. Huge, huge, huge. And check this out, the VIX, volatility index. Remember, that's the fear index. We keep watching this. We're down 5%. We are almost below 40 points. Take special note of that. How long have I been saying this? It keeps dropping and dropping and dropping, and the markets keep going higher, higher, and higher. When you have this VIX this low, when it dropped below that 56.25, it just kept dropping and kept dropping. That was a key point. And I really am paying special attention to how the beginning part of 2009 is going to pan out. Especially, next Monday. Whatever Monday does is going to be really key, I think, to setting the tone, especially the first week. The first full trading week of the year is going to be very important to me. Just pay special attention to me saying that. Let's keep an eye on it. Keep coming back to these videos, and I'll keep you abreast of what my thoughts are. As usual, here's the S&P. Nice pop. We had the rising 20-day moving average. We blasted through it. It was acting as resistance. And then we actually got above the declining 50-day moving average. Very, very strong. Closing near the day's high. Right here, just below 900, we have resistance. And that resistance, let me show you what I'm grabbing there. Major support here. If I were to shrink this, we have support there, support here, and then if I follow this over, resistance there, and then we come across, that should act as resistance yet again. So I see us hanging up here at 900. Not sure if we're going to get through there, but if we can get some momentum to blast through, very powerful. I'd really like to see that next stop right here, at this swing. So we'll keep a special eye on that. Let's take a look at the Dow. The Dow shrink down a little bit. I drew a couple lines here that resemble kind of a symmetrical triangle. We got a nice bounce here going. Let's blow this up a little. Take a look here. Nice bounce off of this. What I like is we blasted through all the moving averages. See how the moving averages converged onto each other? Anytime you have moving averages that converge onto each other, that means you're in a kind of a holding pattern. Let me show you there again. I'm going to shrink this down. See how we're just going sideways, just choppy sideways? I've been saying that. About a month ago, I said chances are, going into the spring, we should get just very choppy. And we're seeing that in the biggest form. Anytime all these moving averages converge onto each other and get really tight like we see right there, just a telltale sign that you're heading sideways and just in a choppy market. What I like here is we blasted through all the moving averages, closing above the 50-day, 20-day, and all my EMAs that I look at here. I think that we're gonna get some resistance at probably 8750. 8750 should be some resistance. I think the S&P has a better chance of getting to 900 than the Dow getting to 9,000, which would be up here. It's got quite a ways to go before that could happen. Take a look at the NASDAQ. Here's the NASDAQ. NASDAQ got through the 20-day, but is having trouble right here with the falling or declining 50-day moving average. I see us having some resistance there. Other than that, the next area is right here, these swings in this trend line. So it has some blue skies, ahead of it, at least a little clearer skies than what the Dow and NASDAQ has right now. Let's take a look at the Russells. Russell's is right here. See, we have this support line that goes support, 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 It should act as resistance. We're right here on it. So I see us hanging up here. So I think the next trading day, we should see a little, I think it will probably be up, but if we're up, it shouldn't be by much. I think we're going to smack our heads across the board on all the indices. So anyway, again, sorry about not getting a video out yesterday. If I could have, I would have thrown my headset out the window. I was so frustrated. Wow. So I appreciate Matador getting his video up, and really appreciate the morning editions that Breakout's doing for us. Really like that. Question for you. If you look forward to watching my videos on a daily basis, meaning that you come on a daily basis, please put that down in the comments. Let me know that. I want to see who and how many people actually come on a daily basis. If you don't come on a daily basis, don't put anything down. But if you do come on a daily, let me know that. I'd like to make a special invitation, if you will. We're part of Tweeter now, tweeter.com, and if you don't know what Tweeter is, get signed up. It's pretty neat. If you want to stay in contact with us and know what's going on, and kind of behind the scenes, and be a little more in touch with what we're doing, go to Tweeter, and that'll certainly keep you abreast of what's going on. And as time goes on, we'll be tweeting more and more. Go to tweeter.com/free trading vids and follow us. So there you have it. Until next time, we'll catch you at freetradingvideos.com. Looking forward to chatting with you. And I can't think of anything else to gab about. My chatting is done and over. So anyway, as always, use a stop loss when you're out there trading. And play conservative. Remember, capital preservation is, in fact, king. So always adhere to it. Till next time, for the second time this evening, we'll catch you at freetradingvideos.com.